Okay, listing today, 22nd of January 2026, 2014 Mercedes Sprinter 313 CDI. It's 130 brake horsepower, and it's in satin green. We've repainted it in satin green, which is very difficult to see because it's not stopped raining for 3 days. However, all good. It's in NATO military satin green. So yeah, the body all good now. It's actually purchased to convert into a camper van by us and my partner, and we had a bump in the rear there. I'll include pictures on eBay of the dent that was there. It was a rear end shunt there. The step had gone the corner, and this bottom zone here, which is below the floor's further up, where all of that was crunched in. Now it's been professionally repaired. The bumper's different. It was a step one before. This is the only one I could get. That's a 2017 Sprinter, so a lot neater. All locks work as they should. There's no check strap on that one. Thought I'd got that, but that's a fairly easy, cheap thing to purchase. Good tidy ply lining left and right. No dents in the roof. Good bulkhead. Obviously, it's a multi-purpose van. I mean, what couldn't you use this for? But the plan was to be a camper van for the huge area, so obviously the bulkhead had come out. I'm glad I never took it out. I've had to put it back in again. So yeah, no issues there. Doors shut and close as they should. Put a new badge on there as well. You know, the lights got away with it this end. There's a little bit of a scuff on the hinge, and here needs a new rear light lens there. I don't quite know what happened there, and there's a scuff on the top here, again appeared from nowhere. Hopefully I can sort that before the van goes out. It's quite an easy fix. The side markers have been replaced with the clear ones against the orange standard. Good, nice free running side door. Again, fully ply lined with a good hardware in floor, and all the lashing eyes are in. Actually, no, one missing, two missing. Again, I'm pretty sure I've got some of those. Again, cheap to replace. So you take it that there's two lashing eyes need replacing. What was a fully washed out cab a couple of days ago, but there's no issues, no marks. It's a really good tidy interior. Seats I'm leaving as is, marking that one. The other one that side's gone. Obviously they'll need a clean, or seat covers. But again, that's personal taste. You can get seat covers for 20 quid or 200, but they're all intact. You've got the usual upper storage there, and yeah, no issues basically. Some 206,000 miles. It was owned by a carpet company. I don't think there's any history with it, but I know for sure it was well looked after. It was serviced by the chap who runs the site that I work on, and he'd known the van for, I think it was about 5 or 6 years. Tyres all good, no issues, mechanically sound, gearbox excellent. It's the 6-speed gearbox. Apologies, there's a bit of my rubbish still in it. See there where I fixed the seat. You can manage with that, or put seat covers on. Main thing is really good tidy cab. See that it starts first turn of the key, does its usual rev past to 1500, Sprinters do that to circulate the oil, and then drops to tick over with no lights on. Mechanically spot on like most sprinters are, at 206. Actually low for a 2014 Sprinter. All good. I think falling off as usual. In fact, all of it works. Need a cover for that, but who uses them? Yeah. I think that's about it. So, bearing in mind it's now being recorded as a Cat S damage, sadly, because that's classed as structural. I mean, literally it was just that. The metal's the same, it's all been pushed out, put into shape and resprayed basically. But it's down as a Cat S, so we managed to buy it back off the insurance company and we're selling it on, as it'd be a shame to spend a lot of money building it into a camper to then sell it as a category S, which will take too much money off it. So it's on eBay from the 22nd of Jan. It'll be priced accordingly for Cat S, and it's going to be a good buy because it runs and drives superb. And the added bonus of it being the L3 H3, so there's plenty of room in it as well. So yeah, you got one mark on the headlight there. The bumper and the grille were replaced. They were damaged, so I replaced those. Indicator lenses have been replaced. Side markers have been replaced. Rear bumper is off a 2017. Scrape on the back there, I'll try and get sorted. I'll take some off for that. So I'd imagine it's going to sell quite quick, so I'll take 50 off of that. It's going to be 50-60 quid for a lens. Apart from that, all good. Thanks for watching. I can deliver UK nationwide, mainland free. Wherever you are, UK mainland, I can deliver it. I'm fully insured and I've got trade plates. Right, thanks for watching.